Using item setup in the web portal. In configuration, select items, search for your item. From here you can change how the item should be handled in the warehouse. First, you need to set how the item should be stored as. This is mandatory, and no items are recommended to have free, as it is the default value when an item is created. Pieces allows additional settings such as assigning a picking place and using reloads. The item will be handled as a piece. Select boxes and the item will be handled in box quantity. This means that you will only be allowed to store complete boxes in buffer bins. If you have set up your own pallets, they will also be selectable in this menu. If you would like the item to have a set picking place, you can add it here. Press the pen and add your bin number. Suggested bin can be chosen if the item is assigned to a picking area. This will help you when you do incoming goods and movement tasks. Serial numbers can be checked if you want every item to have a unique number. It will be mandatory to type in this number during pick. If selecting expired product, you will make best before date mandatory for the item. Disable batch picking if you don't want to include the item during batch pick. Mandatory production batch number if you want to make use of production batch number for the item. If working with reloads, you can set the reload level here, and also how many boxes to reload with. Dimensions that has been set on the item can be viewed in this tab. And if the item is stored as a box, you will have to set how many items per box. In the buffer tab, you can allow the item to be picked from buffer bins. Type in the minimum number of boxes and if you want a specific buffer place. The buffer reload level can be set in the same way as for the picking reload level. Barcodes can be viewed and also added here. And any changes that has been made to the item will be logged and can be viewed up here. And you also have the option to reset the item, and this will restore the settings to default.